In this video, we're gonna make the best guacamole you've ever had in your life. Spoil your friends and your family. These are the basic ingredients for guacamole. This is gonna be for 4 people. You're gonna have 2 avocados, half a red onion, 1 lime, and half a bunch of cilantro. Once I cut everything up, I'll give you the exact measurements of what I come out with. This is just a simple recipe. I like to keep things simple and basic. One of my favorite acronyms is KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. A lot of times I overcomplicate a dish and try to add a whole bunch of things into it, trying to make it better, when I could have just left it alone and it would have been perfect. Cut your avocado in half. Get your knife, put it right here on the pit, twist it. I like to make little slices, that way it'll be easier to mash up. Scoop out your avocado and put it in a bowl. Now when you get your cilantro, you don't have to cut off the stems like I did here. You can leave them on, but I just decided to trim them off. Give your cilantro a light chop. Get your cilantro and put it in the bowl. This is about a 1/4 cup. All right, let's cut up the onion. Cut off the end off. We'll cut those lines in there. And I'll make a separate video on how to cut an onion. That way I don't take up too much time in this video showing you how to do it. And we're gonna use about a 1/4 cup. All right, let's do half a lime. I'll squeeze that lime all over. It's gonna bring out some great flavor. Time to get salty. I'd say about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then you can taste it and see if it needs some more. Go ahead and smash it up. You can mash this up as much as you want or leave it chunky, it's up to you. We'll go ahead and taste it and see if it needs some more salt. This is perfect, guys. Perfect amount of salt, perfect amount of cilantro, red onion, lime. If you like garlic, you can add about half a clove of garlic or add some garlic powder. That's optional. I just kept it simple. Now, if you're not gonna eat the guacamole right away, wrap it up with some plastic and put it in the refrigerator. Get all the air out of it. That's the enemy for the guacamole. Since we did put some lime in there, it will help prevent it from discoloring. All right, everybody, that's the way you make the best guacamole to spoil your family. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.